place, can't be in my face, so now. Deep pockets, they think I'm rockin' Chanel.
Hey, so, do you want to use these magazine letter text effects? Here's how to set it up. First, install my magazine text plugin by double-clicking the DRFX file. Second, in DaVinci Resolve, go to Effects, then Titles, and select Shark. Drag and drop the plugin into your timeline and enable the letters for the word you want to create. Position the letters to form the word. To enhance the effect, open it in Fusion. Keyframe the position size and rotation every 8 frames for each letter. In the spline panel, select all your keyframes and press I on your keyboard to change the ease mode to step in. Adjust the shake and frame repeat to best fit your project. Note, first set your frame repeat, then animate your letters according to the frames you've set it to repeat. This plugin also comes with some bonus effects that will help you achieve this look. Grab yours from my Ko-fi page. Have fun creating.